Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make someone admin on Instagram group chat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap the direct or messenger icon from the top right corner. Now open the group chat where you want to add someone as an admin. Then tap the eye symbol from the top right corner of the screen. Below you will see the members of the group. Tap the three dots next to the account you want to make an admin. From the pop-up menu, select Make Admin. And the person has been added as an admin of this group. You can add more people as admin if you want. So in this way, you can make someone admin on Instagram group chat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.